Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll explore 15 trending English words of 2025 that you must know to stay up to date and sound natural. Let's get started. Number 1. AI. Artificial intelligence means machines that can think or learn like humans. For example, AI helps your phone understand voice commands or recommend videos. AI is changing many industries fast. Have you used AI apps lately? Number 2. Metaverse. A virtual 3D world where people meet, work, or play games. Imagine attending a concert or meeting friends online without leaving home. Big companies are investing billions in the metaverse. Number 3. Climate emergency. An urgent situation caused by climate change needing fast action. Many governments declared climate emergencies to protect the planet. What small changes can help the environment? Think about it. Number 4. NFT. Non-fungible tokens are unique digital items like art or music you can buy or sell. Some NFTs have sold for millions. Ever heard about NFTs? They're a new way to own digital art.
If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our English lessons.
Number 5. Sustainability. Using resources carefully so nature isn't harmed. Many brands focus on sustainability to reduce pollution and waste. Try to think about sustainability in your daily life. Number 6. Crypto crash. A sudden drop in cryptocurrency prices like Bitcoin falling quickly. This crash affected many investors worldwide. Cryptocurrencies can be exciting but risky. Number 7. Remote work. Working from anywhere, not just an office. It gives people more freedom and saves commuting time. Have you tried remote work or online classes? Number 8. ChatGPT. An AI chatbot that answers questions and helps with writing. Many people use ChatGPT to learn English or get ideas. Number 9. Greenwashing. When companies pretend to be eco-friendly but are not really. It's important to spot greenwashing and support honest brands. Number 10. Resilience. The ability to recover quickly from problems or difficulties. People show resilience during tough times or disasters. Number 11. Hybrid learning. A mix of online and in-person education. Many schools use hybrid learning to give flexibility to students. Number 12. Supply chain. All the steps to make and deliver products. Supply chain problems recently caused delays in many industries. Number 13. Mental health. How well you feel emotionally and psychologically. Talking about mental health helps people get support and feel better. Number 14. Inflation. When prices for goods and services go up, high inflation makes life more expensive for many people. Number 15. Electric vehicle. Cars or bikes that run on electricity instead of gas, helping reduce pollution. Many people are switching to electric vehicles. Those were 15 important words of the year 2025. Which one did you find the most interesting? Write your favorite word in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English learning videos. See you next time.